Hello, today I'm going to show you the multi-information display of your Mazda CX-5. It is really often a part of a big car SUV here. Let's have a seat at the driver's side and we have a look at our information display. It is on the right side in front of you. The multi-information display indicates odometer, trip meter, engine coolant temperature gauge, fuel gauge, outside temperature, distance to empty, average fuel economy, current fuel economy, maintenance monitor, blind spot monitor, distance recognition support system, Mazda radar cruise control with stop and go function, Mazda radar cruise control, lane keep assist, adjustable speed limiter, cruise control display and the vehicle speed alarm, and warning messages. Oh, that's so much. The screen content change if you are going to use your multi-function steering wheel on the left side. If you push the info switch, then you can choose different options. Here you can see the current economy, that is trip A, average fuel economy, outside temperature, odometer, distance to empty, fuel gauge. This is the first cluster of your display information system. Let's switch to the second screen. Push information button. Here we are. Now we are on the second screen. This is easy to choose for trip B. Trip B is the second current fuel economy, average fuel economy, outside temperature, odometer, distance to empty, and fuel gauge. This all contains the second screen cluster. After pressing, we are in the next center. Engine coolant, then maintenance monitor, outside temperature, odometer, distance to empty, and the fuel gauge. Here, this is the maintenance area. How much days and how much range you are away from the next maintenance job. Here we are, next thing, info button. Yeah. Whoa, now we are active dance display. And of course outside temperature, odometer, distance to empty, and fuel gauge. The active sense is a good thing which is going to help you by driving your car safe and easy. You have here the blind spot monitor in this screen, the Mazda radar cruise control, the distance recognition support system, and everything gets information for you. Lane keep assist, cruise control, adjustable speed limiter, vehicle speed alarm. This all is possible on this cluster, and it gives you so much information about your driving thing, what you have to program before. So let's go to the last cluster. This is warning messages, outside temperature, odometer, and distance to empty, and the fuel gauge. So these are all clusters in your instrument cluster and display, which is contains your multi-information display. And of course, the warning messages can be different. There are so many different information about your car. If you open and close some doors, push the clutch, push the brake, etc. Everything is possible in this cool instrument cluster. That is the awesome multi-information display. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.